Good morning everyone. I just finished 2 km run for today. So, uh, meron pinarealize sa akin sa Lord ngayong umaga. In Matthew 8, verse 23 to 27, na sila Peter ay kasama si Jesus, ngunit bumabagyo. Pero kahit kasama nila si Jesus, dumaan yung bagyo. Ganoon din sa buhay natin. Na kahit kasama natin si Jesus sa ating buhay, pwede tayo makaranas ng bagyo, ng matinding bagyo at malakas na bagyo. Ang kaibahan lang, kasama natin si Jesus, hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Hebrews 13:5, I will never leave you nor forsake you. Hindi ibig sabihin na kasama natin si Jesus ay hindi tayo daranas ng bagyo. Daranas tayo ng mga bagyo at pagsubok, ngunit hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Just trust in the Lord. Isaiah 40 verse 13, sabi doon, those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount wings like eagle. They shall run, not weary. They shall walk and not faint. So kapag tayo nag-aantay kay Lord, nagtiwala kay Lord, hindi niya tayo pababayaan. So kaya mo yan, laban lang, kasama mo si Jesus. Just trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge Him in all your ways and He will direct your path straight.